Hi guys, and welcome back on my binary options channel. Today I'm going to show you some strategy that's a little bit complicated, or at least on the first sight, but if you are attentive and if you're going to follow, all my explanations, I hope it's going to be all fine for you. It's going to be the Kellner channel combined with the moving averages. I think I never showed that before, so let's see how it can work on binary options day. So we are starting with setting all the parameters, and today is gonna be a little bit, we know there's change in the bat. Today is gonna be a little bit more complicated than usual, and if you are attentive enough to listen and to watch, it's gonna be easy for you. I changed all the periods that we need, and now we gotta start with the currency pairs, the first one, with the biggest payout, everything as always. I do recommend do it like that, but it's quite obvious, without any educational stuff. And this one is also okay. Here we gonna change the indicators. First one is gonna be the Kellner channel. We are changing all the thickness and colors just for us to be perfectly clear. Here also let's leave like that. And the second one is going to be, as I told you before, it's going to be our favorite and classic moving averages. We are changing here the period and we are choosing EMA. The thickness of the parameters are set, all the parameters are done. So the strategy here today, if you are actually seeing these candles are out Kellner channel, we are being attentive to the moving averages. When moving averages breaks, we are expecting the changes of the behavior of the chart. So if you see the moving averages is actually growing and all the candles are out the Kellner channel, we are expecting the changes, or it's going to be up or it's going to be down. And the more horizontal line of the moving averages, the more longer period of this changing we are expecting. So let's see how it's going to work on our trades, and maybe it's going to be more clear for you. So we are proceeding to the first bet for the first chart, and this is gonna be the bet for a down. So let's just pay attention to the situation that we have here. Let's see the result first, and then I'm gonna explain why it was successful or not. So we are seeing here that we are about to be in our profit, and pay attention to this green line because this is the moving averages. It was rising before and then it started to go just more down, and we expected in this exact moment the changes of the chart, and that just happened. So our second bet, and we are again and again paying attention for the candles that are out the Kellner channel and for the moving averages, and you may see this purple line just started to go up. So we are expecting the change. And look at this line now of the moving averages, and you may see that it was just almost a horizontal break, and we were correct about our prognosis, and we made it as a profit and even twice. So again and again, the candles are out and the moving averages started just to go upper. Actually, we made our bets, like 3 bets, and we are expecting maybe not this long movement. And I remind you again and again, the more horizontal this line, the longer change is gonna be. So our first bet are about to be profitable, and it seems like the second and the third one, all of them just correct, and this moving averages long horizontal. So perfect. And the last one for today, because it seems like pretty clear, it's gonna be for a downward movement because we see the break here and all the candles are out the Kellner channel, the moving average started to change, and we made our bet. So we actually are having the final countdown of our profitable bets. The first one are about to be completed, and it's correct, the second, the third, then fourth, fifth, and the last, and all of them, and we are in a profit today with the $10,000. That's the nicest one. Okay, it's all done, and I am with a good profit, like at $10,000 today, because I was attentive enough. And first of all, I never paid, too much attention for that, because I'm just repeating it all the time. The currency pair, the situation of the market, and all indicators combined, all of that giving you, these prospects and the guarantees of your profitable strategies. And again, if you have any questions, if you wanna trade and use the strategy by yourself and you need some advices or some, like moral support, you can text me. You can text me in Telegram, and I'm actually all the time there because I'm just giving you signals. I'm having all the charts that I have with you, and we are chatting there about the binary options trading, and I am answering there more often than in YouTube, for example. So text me on Telegram and join me in my free chat where I give the signals on a daily basis, and we're gonna trade together, and I hope it's gonna be all profitable for all of us.